what's up? Yeah, I'm here with this guy right here. What should I call you? Like
Cousin.
We're like cousins, but sisters at the same time. That sounds wrong. Anyway, we're just gonna pretty much show you what you could do on a rainy day. A rainy day, even though it's not quite raining yet, but it looks like it might be raining. So
this is how you could have fun.
Yeah, pretty much. That's it. Oh my gosh, I'm recording. Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it and smash it and mark it with an E. Put it in the oven forever and me.
I'm just your average Jane. The super doesn't stand for model, but that doesn't mean I'm plain. If all you see is how I look, you miss the super chick within. And that christen you Titanic, underestimate and swim. I've got the rifle, gonna be myself. I've got the rifle, gonna be myself. I've got the rifle, gonna be myself. I've got the rifle, gonna be myself.
'Cause you had a bad day, you take it one down. You sing a sad song just to turn it around. You say you don't know, you tell me don't lie. You work at a smile and you go for a ride. You had a bad day, the camera don't
push me, and then just touch me, till I can get my satisfaction. 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 Satisfaction.
Push me, and then just hurt me, till I can get my satisfaction. 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 Satisfaction.
Hey there, Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty, yes you do.
Hi! How are you? What is up? I love homie G. Oh, she gets his filthy oxysis. And then it tastes very nice. Tastes precious.